Hello everyone and welcome back to Cynical Reacts. Today we're going to be answering the age-old question, what happens when a rich Karen goes out drunk driving? In case you don't know, this is the second channel for The Cynical Dude where I react to content that is not related to fat acceptance. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. This is from a channel called Police Insider. I'll leave a link to their original video below.
On September 8th, 2022, an officer was dispatched in reference to a car accident.
What happened?
I was leaving
Were
here.
you able to get out of the store?
I think so.
It's pretty tight.
To exit. So I'm here.
So you were right here, what happened?
And then I guess she turned into here and she just ran right into me. And then I ended up there.
Running down old ladies, man. Come on.
Were you in the roadway yet or no?
No.
You were right here?
Yeah.
Didn't even pull out in the street yet.
Okay.
You know, so I could see.
Drunk lady hit right into her.
Can you use your driver's license real quick?
Can you drive this out?
Yep. And
That's funny. He's asking her for a driver's license. Can I have a driver's license real quick? I just want to run you. Grandma, you got any warrants? You got any drugs in the car? Anything we should know about? He just starts searching the car and treating her like a total criminal.
the insurance for your car, and then I'll meet
When's the last time you smoked crack? And then he takes out the billy club and starts breaking all your headlights. Like, what the hell?
up with you in a sec. You just wait right over here for me, okay? Alright. Do you have a driver's license on you?
Oh, she's crying. You can't hold her accountable for anything. Look.
And your insurance?
I want to call my dad first.
I want to call my dad first. Why? What's your dad gonna do? Aren't you a little old to be calling your dad?
Okay, but I still need your driver's license and insurance, okay?
How many times does the dad get these freaking annoying phone calls? He's like, oh God, again? I don't have a daughter, okay? Sorry. That's a little harsh.
Why? Because that woman is going off her rocker.
What? Because you crashed into her?
What happened today?
Yeah, what did happen,
My
Adam?
grandma died.
I'm sorry.
That's what happened.
Okay, so your grandma died, and out of retaliation, you decide to go try to kill somebody else's grandma? Is that what's going on here, ma'am?
Today?
Today.
I'm so sorry.
And I was going to the special cemetery.
Going to the
And
special
then
cemetery?
when I got into the car accident.
Car accident. I think like some kind of Wisconsin accent or something. Whatever Anna O'Brien from Glitter and Lasers accent has, she is from the same area, I think.
I think that was the current one.
I understand, but...
All right, lady, could you stop breaking down, please, so I can take you to jail?
So she's buried here. She passed away 2 days ago. So you were coming today to pay her respects, grieve, or just to visit her today?
I was coming here to pay my respects for my
understand.
grandma.
I understand that. So...
Okay. I didn't know that it was customary to drunk drive to the cemetery to pay your respects. I'm learning a lot.
What happened here? How did this occur?
Yeah, what happened, lady?
Because she was too close to my end.
To my end. Okay.
And when I went into there and I told, you know what, tell her, just stop.
This lady is so freaking trashed, dude. She's not even just like a little buzzed. She is falling down wasted.
What do you need right now? Okay, like, seriously, what do you need
So I
right
need your
now?
driver's license.
Okay.
So I need your driver's license.
I don't need your junk mail. Why are you handing that to me?
That's your registration.
Okay.
I don't need that. I need your driver's license.
Okay.
It's right there. How much did you have to drink today?
I didn't have anything. I told my mom told me that my grandma passed away.
Yeah. It can make you pretty drunk to hear those news.
Okay.
And that they were going to the monument.
Okay. Today? They were going to the
Yes.
monument today?
Yes. And that's why I'm so upset. So you can talk to my parents. then.
I don't need to talk to your parents.
Yeah, you're the one that was driving this vehicle, madam. We don't need to talk to your mom and dad. You appear to be grown, so what?
I need to talk to you. You were the one involved in this accident. That's not your driver's license either, man.
Dude, she's
Oh,
been
my
trying to find her driver's license for the past 10 minutes. She's giving him a baby wipe.
Driver's license.
Yeah, that is a baby
How much
wipe,
did you drink?
madam. That is not a photo identification of any sort.
Today.
Yeah, how much have you had to drink, ma'am?
None. I did
None.
not. I have 2 different breathalyzer things in my car.
You have 2 different breathalyzer things in your car. What, like one of those things where you have to blow in it and then blow clean before you can start the car?
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do.
So you've been arrested for this a couple times before. I believe she's referring to one of those devices that you put on the car and you can't start the car unless you blow into it and blow clean. A lot of people, when they've had several DUIs and stuff like that, they have to have one of those devices put on their car, indicating that this is not her first rodeo. And she also has some way of bypassing this device because here she is, driving drunk.
Where are they?
You did not see me point to them.
Well, those are garage door openers.
Okay, maybe she's so intoxicated that she thinks that she has those devices, but she doesn't. It's garage door openers, the cop said.
Which are also breathalyzing submission.
Oh.
Oh, okay. She said, which are also breathalyzing submission. So they open the garage door, and there's some sort of vapor lock device for your car as well. This is technology I've never heard of.
Well, that's cool.
He said, well, that's cool. This cop is the most patient person ever, dude.
I know, and I'm gonna call my brother-in-law, who is a 411.
He's a 411? What's a 411?
And you can tell your whomever for the 4th of July. Tell him good luck.
What?
All right, Christina, I need your phone number for the report.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to my in private.
That's not a phone. It's a hand.
I know it's a hand whip.
Was she just trying to make a phone call on a baby wipe? Hold on.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to my
Oh, she's just dialing it. I saw her dialing it.
in
It's
private.
still ringing.
That's not a phone. It's a hand.
I know it's a hand whip. It's still a phone.
It's still a phone.
It's still a phone. Okay.
It's still a phone. Okay.
Oh, it's a phone too.
You know what?
Dude, this is classic drunk stuff. Like, doesn't know what the hell's going on. Keeps getting agitated. She's like, you know what? She's about to go on some kind of moronic spiel right here.
Don't ever remain me as a dumb.
I'm not.
Yeah, you did. You
You
said,
say you're trying to find your
Christina,
phone.
I'm
Here
trying
comes
to...
the nonsensical gibberish.
Okay,
Right.
so let me...
No, you're not closing the door. So here's what's gonna happen.
She was about to close the door and drive off.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she was just dialing the baby wipe, bro. Hold on, let's get a replay.
Okay,
Right here, watch. Dialing it right there. Putting it to the head.
Okay.
I can have my own...
No, not at this time.
Dude, this chick is drunk as hell, man. I'm surprised that she made it this far without crashing into more people. Although maybe she lives like literally half a block away and this is as far as she made it, who knows.
Did he just say the popo is on its way?
No, he said 114:23.
Oh,
Means he's here.
The popo.
Yeah.
Yeah, the popo. Guess what my brother-in-law is? A lot ahead above you.
A lot ahead above you. Okay.
It's good.
Yeah,
Don't you love when people think that they know people?
so shut the hell away from me.
Shut the hell away from me, she said. All right, that's genius. I love that. I'm taking that and using it in the future. Shut the hell away from me, okay?
Get away from me.
Shut the hell
All
away
of
from me.
these people driving down Devon.
Alright, Christina, can you step out of the car for me?
Yeah.
Step right back here for me, okay? You said no medication, nothing?
I'm on medication.
Alright. The reason I'm asking is the way you're speaking and the way you're acting, you're holding up a hand wipe as a phone. Alright? And you're telling me that you were trying to turn in here, but you went straight across this way and slammed into her.
Scared
So
about
what
what was happening.
So how much did you have to drink today?
Today, I didn't drink anything. All
Okay.
I was here for my babshas,
Right.
gravy,
Right.
and that's all I was.
Okay. What'd you take today?
Yeah, what did you take today? How much crack have you been smoking if you haven't been drinking?
I didn't take anything today, officer.
Well, that's funny because you're acting like somebody that has had specifically alcohol.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Can you do this for me? Can you put your feet together for me just like that?
She's got a pair of pants on that say dog mom. It's funny to get arrested in hilarious clothes, isn't it?
See the tip of my pen?
You got your world's best mom shirt on while they're giving you field sobriety tests in a parking lot?
Alright. What I want you to do is I want you to stare at the tip of my pen. Alright? Using your eyes and only
And
your
I
eyes.
can't wait for my dad to pull you over.
Perfect. So,
What? Now your dad is some kind of law enforcement?
okay.
She's not going to pass the horizontal
Yes,
gaze
I do.
nystagmus
Just
test.
do it already.
I know,
God
but
damn
I
it.
gotta go through all these instructions now.
How many times are you gonna do it?
When they do the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, they're not just looking to see if you turn your head like this. Your eyes won't smoothly track if you've been drinking. They won't smoothly track as you follow the object. They'll go like this. And there's nothing you can do to prevent that when you've been drinking.
You know I can do
It's a
it.
few times, of course. You gotta
Do
go
it
through
then.
All the steps.
And then you're gonna run into my dad. And he's gonna tell you to go.
Christina, can you
Yes.
do this for me?
I've done it!
Okay. And just hold still and just follow with your eyes.
Your eyes are all jerky.
I think you're the one. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet my father.
Okay.
All right, well, I guess we're going to have to let you go then. Go drink and drive some more and crash into some other people then. Your dad is somebody, I guess.
Follow the tip of the pen.
That's what she
I
was expecting.
am, you.
She's like, what? They're supposed to be like, what? Your dad is John Davidson? Oh my God, well in that case, here you go. Go on your way, madam. Go drink and drive all you want. I didn't know your dad was John Davidson or whatever I guess is supposed to be their response.
Alright. So next what I want you to do, alright,
Oh.
you can.
What, you want me to stand on my hand with 1, 2
No.
feet? I can't do that
Stand on my hand with 1 feet? What?
regardless.
No, luckily we don't have to do any handstands.
Do it.
Are you saying you're not able to do this?
Because of my back problem.
back?
I
You're not able-
have
so
curvular back.
I have a curvular back.
you're saying you physically cannot do
3, 4, 5.
Dude, this lady is freaking wasted, man.
go back, okay?
You know what? I want my attorney.
Okay.
I am not surprised that she crashed into somebody. This lady is trashed, dude.
Stop,
Present.
stop,
I
stop,
want.
stop.
No, you
Alright,
do
turn
not
around.
Uh-oh.
Christina,
touch
turn
me.
around.
Uh-oh,
Put your
now
hand
it's
on your
time to
back.
go. It's go time
Turn
now.
around, put your hands behind your
Uh-oh.
I want to
Here comes the second cop.
talk
Turn
to
around,
my
put your hands
attorney.
behind your back. You can call them when we get to the station. Turn around, please. Okay?
You are
Turn around.
hurting me.
Turn around. All right. You're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. What? No, you idiot. God, what? You're under arrest for DUI. What? No, I'm not, you freaking moron. What are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about? What? She's trying the pro move. No, I'm not arrested. Let's see if it works. I didn't know we could do that. You're just like, no, I'm not. And they're like, oh, really? All right, fine. I guess we have to let her go. She looks very bewildered. She's like, what in the damn hell?
too
Are
late,
you guys
Christina.
serious right now? What?
Alright?
You can't be serious, sir.
Alright.
She looks so
right.
distraught.
This is absolutely ridiculous. You're hurting me.
Calm down.
You
we're
are
walking.
hurting me.
All you need to do is walk.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. Hold on, Christina. I gotta make sure there's nothing in your pockets.
There's nothing in my pockets.
There's like a heroin needle in there.
You're seriously gonna make me miss my grandma's funeral?
Her funeral was like 2 days ago.
You're seriously gonna do that to me?
Yes.
Alright.
We're just out to get you, Christina.
Take a seat. Okay. Christina, is your phone in your purse? Or is it in the car? I don't want to leave it behind.
How would I know?
Because it's your stuff.
I don't know if my phone is in the
Why would I know where my own stuff is?
purse or
Okay.
not.
Let's double check before we head out.
Yeah, well, why don't you uncuff me and then all the figular pieces that went by.
Figular pieces went by. Dude, she's speaking gibberish right now. And she's at that stage of drunkenness where you're just ornery as hell, but it doesn't even make any sense because you're so out of it.
That was for my family, but I know you don't give a shit.
I do.
Literally one of the dumbest drugs. And it's legal, so that's cute.
Don't go in my purse. I'll go in it myself.
No, you're under arrest. You can't.
How am I under arrest?
This is your phone, right? Yep.
That would be my phone.
Perfect. Alrighty.
How am I under?
How much you want to bet that she's like blackout drunk right now and is not going to remember any of this? She's just going to awaken in a jail cell and be like, what the hell? How did I get here?
I do not tie my gym shoes.
Okay.
And don't touch my purse like that unless you want to pay for it.
You mean putting it down?
The way you are holding it.
This cop is being infinitely patient with this person, dude. I feel like if this was me, they would have kicked me in the face 20 times by now. I would have had several tasers deployed on me. Yeah, I feel like if you or me were doing this and getting this much of an attitude, they would have beat the crap out of us. Like, literally.
By the
Do
handles?
you want to purchase that purse?
Yeah, actually, I've been looking for a Prada bag for a while. It really goes with my eyes.
Yourself?
Yeah, it's a beautiful purse. I would love to purchase one. Where did you buy it? In fact, that's the entire reason I brought you here, not for the drunk driving. I just really like your purse, and I want to talk to you about it a little more.
Not my style, but...
Okay. All right, you're too good for a Prada bag, huh? He only has Gucci. All right, buddy.
It's not your style. Is it your baby mama style?
Is it your baby mama's style? What?
Okay.
I have never worn my shoes. They've always been like this. You
Okay.
guys had no problem then. Now, did you?
No, you said you had no issues. Take your shoes off for me, please. The 10 of them that are in here.
Sweetheart, I know how it works. Okay, my
cute.
brother-in-law is
I know. You
way above your pay grade.
Before you said it was your dad, and then sometimes you keep saying brother-in-law, and you said your brother-in-law was a 411. Whatever the heck that means. He's the guy that picks up the phone when you call 411 to get information about a business or whatever. Maybe she meant to say 911 like he's a dispatcher or something. I don't know.
And thank God for that, because you guys are just a bunch of hoodlums running around. Does that make you
All right,
feel
Chuck,
better
sure.
inside?
Meet your arm. Thank you.
He just starts elbowing her. I'm not saying you should.
Does that make... don't hurt me.
I'm not. Give me your arm.
You're being annoying, so he's
Does
cuffing
that
you
make
to the
you
table.
feel better inside? I'm just asking.
I know. I'm letting you know. I'm answering your question as thorough as I can.
Okay, so don't be a smart
What?
with me. Oh, you're
You've
not.
asked a lot of
Oh,
questions.
Oh, you're not. Is that like Wisconsin? That particular accent?
now
Answer
you're
them as thorough
gonna
as I
talk
can.
to your sergeant all nicey nice
Christina.
when you've been in
I
to
need...
me.
He has been nothing but nice to you. Other than the fact that he's arresting you, which sucks, obviously, but this dude has been insanely nice and patient with you.
your address.
I want to talk to my...
The cop is gonna go to the gym right now and just beat the crap out of the heavy bag or what? I don't know, dude, but he's been very patient.
My father first.
I thought it was your brother-in-law.
How about that?
Well, it doesn't work that way. All right, I'll call you back later. See ya.
No, I don't care how old I am or where I live. I want to talk to my dad.
They should say, we called your dad, and he doesn't care. He said to leave you in there, actually. That's what I would say. I'd be like, yeah, I just talked to your dad. He said to keep you in there. He said you're always up to these types of shenanigans, and maybe this time you'll learn your lesson. Sorry.
And I have that right too. Do you want a piece of my blood too?
Yes, we want a piece of your blood. That's how it's measured, in pieces.
I want to talk to my father.
I understand that.
And he'll tell you to go yourself.
Okay,
Okay?
that's fine. He can do
I
that.
want to talk to my dad.
But I still have to.
It's his mom who is getting buried today.
Sorry.
How do you not have a goddamn heart?
I do.
No, you don't.
So if your grandma dies, you are allowed to drive drunk from now on. Can't you see she's going through all kinds of stuff, dude? Her grandma just died. Let her drive drunk and endanger everybody else on the road, stupid cops. Dang. So you're telling me if my grandma dies, I'm not allowed to go drunk driving after that? This is news to me. So we shouldn't endanger the lives of everyone around us out there on the road? Are you sure? But my dad, you see, he said it was chill.
Okay.
Because of what was going on.
And I understand
What was going on? Is that Wisconsin?
that.
I'm not under the influence, you dumb sh**. I have the right to my attorney, who is...
Dude, just pepper spray her, okay? Are we allowed to pepper spray people for being annoying within the jail? Maybe hit her with a couple tases, a little bit. He should be like, lady, I will tase you right now, okay? If I hear you ask for your dad or your brother-in-law one more time, I'm gonna tase you.
But you understand this, correct?
Nope, I don't understand it.
Dude, you're not gonna get any information out of her for like the next several hours.
Okay.
Nope.
So to put it in layman's terms for you.
No,
Alright.
I don't.
It says
Blah, 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 blah,
if you
blah.
refuse to take any of these tests, okay, your
I
license is going to be
literally can't
suspended
hear
for
you.
12 months.
What in the world,
I
bro?
literally cannot hear you.
Okay, well I already read it to you.
Blah, 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 blah.
understand these words as I have read them to you?
No, blah, 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 blah. And then you're gonna say that
Did she just break the cuff?
Christina, yeah.
What? Hold on, what?
Right
here,
and then
right
you're
here.
gonna say that
Boom. Damn. This ain't her first rodeo, bruh.
Christina, you have to wear the cuff. I made it loose, so it wouldn't be bothering you.
He put it loose so it wouldn't be bothering you, and then you just slipped your hand through it.
Christina,
if you want,
it's being
I'll...
videotaped.
Do you see my cuffs that are off and now on me? I really do. I hope someone in your family dies and you can't make it.
Whoa.
Give me my goddamn phone now!
Christina, you just sit down, please.
No, give me my
I love those dog mom pants that she's rocking all throughout this.
phone now! I have the right to my phone! It says it right here under people arrested or retained by the Popo. Dad. I got arrested.
Alright, so she finally got through to her dad. Let's see what he can do.
Coming to your mother's funeral. Okay?
This is probably not the first time the dad has got one of these calls. He's just like, really? Again, Rebecca? I don't know what her name is. I'm just pulling Rebecca out of my ass. Again, Rebecca? And this time you're using my mom's death as an excuse. Real cute.
Yeah. So you tell your
Dude, God, this person.
sister that she is not part of my family.
What? Okay, so you call your dad to try to get him to bail you out, and you start screaming at him, your sister is not part of this family. Can we stay focused on the purpose of this call? What were you arrested for this time?
They said that I'm under the influence.
Which is clearly a lie, right? They're clearly lying. I'm sober as hell. What are you guys on about?
I'm at the Niles police station. Come and get me now.
Dear Lord.
And tell your sister to go off. I don't ever want to talk to your sister ever again. I don't care. Come get my now.
Oh my God. Okay, now she's about to start yelling at somebody behind the glass over there.
I want to see my grandma before she's buried, okay?
They said she was buried 2 days ago. You don't even know what day it is.
Did you cut this finger? Or?
I did it. I burned the whole side,
What is happening now?
this side,
Okay.
and this side.
Okay,
Cooking.
we'll leave the bandage on, okay?
Okay.
So I just need your thumbs real quick. Relax your hands. Don't put.
Oh,
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Just don't touch the
Oh, okay, I'll avoid that one. Okay.
Okay, now they're taking her fingerprints.
Yeah.
Oh, do you need to hold me or am I too intoxicated?
You're out of your cuffs. Do you need help walking down the stairs?
What? Are they letting her go while she's still drunk right now?
No, I don't need any
I guess her dad is somebody, huh? What?
cuffs.
The female was charged with DUI alcohol, failing to reduce speed to avoid an accident, and improper lane usage. She was released on an I bond.
Yeah, she was released on an I bond, whatever the hell that means. Okay, so they ended up releasing her while she was still drunk. So that was crazy. The rich, entitled Karen was very drunk, crashed into an old lady, got arrested, and then got released that very same day. So my question is, who is your dad? Or your brother-in-law, or whoever the hell you called? Typically, they hold you until you're at least not drunk anymore, until like the next morning and you see the judge and he decides whether or not to release you. So that was very interesting. Who is her dad? Now I have to know. What do you think of that clip that we just saw? Is that completely insane or what? All right, bye.